But Ludo, is it true though? Yes, it is true. The Nikon Z9 is here, and I'm about to show you a little unboxing, and I'm gonna try to go as quick as possible. And holy smokes, this thing is a beast. Look at this thing. I mean, pops out, down, and then you can go vertically if you wanted to. I mean, holy smokes, look at this thing. Wow. All right, what do we got here? Type C, USB to Type C. What else? Move that. Bam. Strap, because you always got to be strapped, you know what I mean? Make sure these, wow. And the actual cable for it, for the charger. What more can you want?